Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change motion smoothness or refresh rate in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app and then scroll down. After that go to display option and then go to motion smoothness. If you cannot find motion smoothness option in your phone, then you can look for refresh rate option, and from here you can change your refresh rate. Here you can see two options of refresh rate. One is high and another is standard, and you can choose any option as you want. If you select high from here, then your phone will running with 90 Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, if you select standard, then your phone will running 60 Hz refresh rate. If you set 90 Hz, then you can get a smoother animations and scrolling. On the other hand, if you set 60 Hz, then you can get a longer battery life. So if you want to set standard, just select it, then tap on apply, and it's done. You can see in my phone refresh rate has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.